Welcome all of you. Today I am going to discuss about the electrophilic substitution reactions of benzene. Benzene react with an electrophile and get a substituted benzene. Or benzene undergo 5 types of electrophilic substitution reactions, namely nitration, Friedel-Crafts alkylation, Friedel-Crafts acylation, halogenation and sulfonation. In this class, I wish to discuss the nitration of benzene. Benzene reacts with concentrated nitric acid in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid gives nitrobenzene. Here the mixture of concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid is known as a nitrating mixture. Mechanism of nitration of benzene. First step is the generation of electrophile. Here the concentrated nitric acid and sulfuric acid react together to form H2NO3 plus and HSO4 minus. Here it is an acid base reaction in which the H2SO4 acts as an acid and the HNO3 acts as a base. Then the H2SO4 release a proton through the HNO3, that is HNO3 accept the proton and produce H2NO3 plus. At the same time H2SO4 is converted into HSO4 minus. Then H2NO3 is the conjugate acid of the HNO3 and HSO4 minus is the conjugate base of the H2SO4. Then the H2NO3 undergo dissociation to give the water and the NO2 plus. This is the electrophile. This is the electrophile. Act as the electrophile. Benzene ring. That is the second step is the attack of electrophile on the benzene ring. Here the electrophile is the nitro group. It attacks on the benzene ring. There is during this process the one of the pi electrons pairs of the benzene ring is donated to the NO2 and for NO2 plus and form a carbon nitrogen bond, and it can get a carbocation or aluminum ion intermediate. That is, this pi bond is shifted to this carbon and nitrogen and form a covalent bond between the carbon and the nitrogen, and at the same time this carbon is deficient of electron, so this carbon has a positive charge here. And then this carbocation or aluminum ion intermediate is resonance stabilized by three structures, and then that is here there is a positive charge, and so this electron pair shifted towards this between these two carbon atom, and the positive charge is shifted to here. Similar, and then the next step, this electrons is shifted in between these two carbon atom, and the positive charge is shifted to this carbon atom. These are the three resonance structures of the aluminum ion. Is the removal of hydrogen as H plus from the aluminum ion intermediate. During this process, the hydrogen is abstracted as H plus by the conjugate base formed during the first step of the reaction, and this electron between this carbon and hydrogen is shifted towards this in between these two carbon atom, and as a result of this reaction, the aromaticity of the benzene is regained, and the substituted product nitrobenzene is obtained, and the H2SO4, that is a catalyst, is regenerated in the process or in this